Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I clean my toilet bowl. As you can see right there, the hot water streak right here, stain all over the toilet bowl. So I'm going to show you how to clean it step by step, and I don't use any chemical at all. I'm just using the this is what I use right here. Baking soda, toothpaste, white vinegar. That's it. Those are the three ingredients I would use. Okay, the first step I would do is in my bathroom right here, I always have like some latex gloves right here, a box of latex gloves. So this way you won't dirty your hand here. Yeah, it's a good idea to have a box of latex gloves in your bathroom. So when you do cleaning, always put that on. I got an old toothbrush right here. I'm gonna put some toothpaste on. Old toothbrush, use some toothpaste. Be generous with the toothpaste. And right there, just use a toothpaste with the toothbrush right here. Just use an old toothbrush that you don't need anymore. Right there. See how the water stain come out so easily? All right. Right there. See there, the stain coming out? So yeah, around the rim too, look at around there. Just around here. Yeah, toothpaste really, it make your toilet bowl smell really good too. So we just clean that. Give it a good clean. See around the holes right here too, just brush it really good. Underneath here too. Brush it really good. I don't use any chemical in this, alright. Okay. White vinegar, right here. This is 5% white vinegar. A cup of white vinegar. 1 cup. Just pour it in. Alright. Next one is to put baking soda. Baking soda is pretty cheap right here. A box of this about 78 cents. 79 cents is pretty cheap. So I try to use non-chemical, as possible every time I clean the household stuff. So this is the baking soda right there. Let's pour it in. About half a box of baking soda. As you can see, the chemical reaction right there. See when the baking soda hit the water, it foams up. The chemical reaction. All right. Use this brush right here, toilet brush. All right, clean it. Right there. So I try to do this once a week. It's really shiny now. You don't need to use any chemical at all. Basically, this is what do the job, and vinegar would make the your toilet bowl smell really good. Baking soda. All right. Okay. I give a really good scrub with the brush. Okay. Usually inside there too, inside the hole right here is a lot of stain in there. So with the brush, just keep going back and forth like this. All right. So just put the brush back into the holder here, and let's flush. Give a good flush. See, it's very clean now. No more stain. It's white and clean. To finish it off, I use a Clorox white disinfecting Clorox wipes. Take a couple sheets. Just go around there. Clean it. Inside here. Okay. Take another sheet. Let's clean the toilet seat. And all right, behind here too. Take another sheet. Clean the top. In here. Yeah, try to keep the place clean, you know. Right there, the seat. All right. So that's it. That's it. It doesn't take long at all. It's pretty much clean now. Look at the toilet bowl, very shiny. And if you do this once every week, it keep your toilet clean really good. So this is how I do it, step by step, how to clean my toilet bowl that have like a hot water stain in it. So I hope you learned something here. So it's really, you don't need to buy any chemical to clean your toilet bowl. You can use this, the one I just showed you, baking soda and vinegar and a toothpaste. You can keep your toilet bowl really clean. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.